Hey guys, just wanted to make a quick product review on this Shark vacuum. I have been the owner for 4 years now. It's been my favorite vacuum. I'm a mother of 5, so it's very important to me to have a very effective vacuum. This is how we unlock when necessary. The switch is as simple as going from off to hard floor to carpet setting. And then up here, you can see suction in the max or in the min. So very simple to release the dust cup and empty it just like that. And then we do need to maintain the filter in order for it to keep working properly. I will give you a short demo on how this works.